It is week 2 of the mini twist challenge hair. In 2023, we are using mini twist to grow our natural hair long, healthy and strong. In this challenge, I hope you have signed on and you are ready to grow. Welcome back to all my new and returning subscribers. I really appreciate each and every one of you stopping by my channel, checking out my content. In today's video, I'll be talking about tips of wearing mini twists on your natural hair, as well as talking to you about week 2 on the challenge. Also want to hear from you how you're finding the challenge, how you are getting on. So it is week 2, not much has changed, except I'm finding with mini twists that my hair is quite fuzzy. I'm going to be covering in my next video 10 or so drawbacks of wearing mini twists on your hair. So you might be finding that you're having some problems wearing these mini twists on your hair. For me, it means that I've got to have a higher level of maintenance than I do with mini braids. I'm constantly having to keep up on making sure that my edges look good. It's really fuzzy and it's making me very self-conscious, like my mini twists have been in store for a long time when they're only 2 weeks old. See me in this video, I'm just retwisting the twists at the edges of my hair because I want it to look quite neat and presentable. So I go along the edges of my hair and I retwist my mini twists. I also in week 2 had to give my hair a quick wash. My scalp was really acting up and I thought to myself, I just need my scalp to look quite clean. So I gave myself the quickest wash day. I will be doing a full wash day in mini twists on my channel, so also look out for that. With all of that said, let's get into some benefits of wearing mini twists on your natural hair. As you know, in 2023, we're growing our natural hair long, healthy and strong. And to that end, I've created plenty of playlists on my channel. If you want to check out my mini braids playlist, there's actually about 3 or 4 of them there. So check those out. You could also join along those challenges, putting in your own dates. So not very much to report on week 2. I had a quick wash day and also I plait my hair in 2, been oiling my scalp with S-curl, and that's all I've really been doing. By plaiting my hair in 2, I actually ended up with a really good braid out, which I wore for a couple of days. So that is what it is. Not very much growth to report at this stage. I hope you're liking the content so far. If you're joining in the challenge, if you are, go ahead, hit the subscribe button. Also, hit the notification bell so that you know when I post these videos. Remember, I really want to cheer you on this year to grow your natural hair to its full potential, but click the notification bell because I'll be posting videos quite often teaching you how to grow your natural hair. As a part of this video, I will also be showing you some mini twist style suggestions for how you can wear your mini twists. If you have a quick look to the video, I'm showing you where I've got some knots and tangles, even taking these down after 2 weeks. Once again, look out for the cons of wearing mini twists on your natural hair. So here are some benefits of wearing mini twists on your natural hair. The first one is that it's a natural look. Mini twists can be styled to look natural, organic, which can complement any sort of hairstyle. It's quite an easy to install style and it's very natural looking. If you want to just be wearing your natural hair in its most natural form, mini twist is a great option for styling your hair. The next one is that it's a temporary hairstyle. Mini twists can be worn for just a few days, for several weeks, which can allow you to change your hairstyle without committing to them long term. As I said with mini braids, it's much of a longer term protective style, as in it's going to take you a long time to take these out. If you decide to change your mind about wearing mini twists tomorrow, you can do that because it's such a temporary hairstyle. The next benefit of wearing mini twists on your hair is that it is DIY friendly. It means that you can mix all your DIY recipes and then do it all by yourself, and then you can make homemade treatments to be used on your mini twist. So it is DIY friendly, as in you can install them yourself, but you could also use your homemade DIY treatments on your mini braids to help it to grow long, healthy and strong. The next benefit of wearing mini twists is that it's a heat-free style. You don't really have to use any heat when it comes onto the style. You don't really have to use heat to stretch them, to put them in, but it also minimizes you using heat because once you've installed these mini twists, you can style them in such varieties of styles that you don't actually need to use heat to apply to your hair to be able to wear it in the form that you want. So it's a heat-free style, allowing you not to have any heat damage, and in that way help to grow your natural hair. Another benefit of wearing mini twists on your natural hair is that it gives you the opportunity to trim your hair knowing how much you're going to trim off. So sometimes when I install my mini twists, I look at my ends and I trim off just the offensive bits of my hair. If my hair was in its loose form, I probably would cut too much off. But with the mini twist, I know exactly where to cut. The next benefit of mini twist is that it is quite versatile. I'm going to be doing some styling ideas and suggestions as you watch along the video. It's a great style to style into other style. Depending on the occasion, you can style up or style down your mini twists to wear anywhere. So I love wearing them because they're really versatile and I can actually change them to look like anything. Another benefit is that you can install your additional extensions over it and your mini twist will still be installed. So it can also be used as a base style. The next benefit of wearing mini twist is that it is beginner friendly. You don't really need much techniques to be able to twist your hair. As long as you can wrap a hair around itself, you can twist. You don't really need much to have in the way of styling. Anyone can install mini twist. The next one is hair growth. If you install mini twist over a long period of time, like we're going to be doing over a month, you will see a difference in the amount of hair that you have on. So it helps to grow your natural hair, helps to reduce breakage by providing a protective environment where your natural hair can grow. I find that when I wear mini twists, it's quite easy for me to sleep on them. Sleeping with mini twists can be so comfortable. It's easy because the twists lay flat. They don't create any lumps or any bumps like when you wear an extension. Especially in your natural hair, it's very, very easy to sleep on this. And I know when I put these styles in, the number one thing for me is comfort. I need to be comfortable when I'm wearing my protective styles. The next one is that your hair looks less frizzy. Now, frizziness is a characteristic of my hair, but you can also do a rope twist to reduce the amount of frizz that you have when you are wearing mini twists. Once again, I do hope you are enjoying today's video. If you are, go ahead, hit the subscribe button. Also, please give this video a like. It helps to push this video up in the algorithm and help other ladies who's trying to find ways of growing their natural hair. The next benefit is that it's easy on your scalp. It's very easy, as you've seen in my installation video, that I don't make these very tight when I'm installing them. In that way, my scalp is also protected when I'm wearing them. It also protects my scalp from the environmental issues such as sunburn and any stresses outside of wearing a protective style. The next one is that it's a gentle style. As I said before, you twist these, you don't twist them too tight. It's a gentle styling option that doesn't pull or tug your hair and can help to reduce damage. The next benefit is length versatility. Mini twists can be worn on long, medium or even short natural hair, making them the most versatile style for all hair lengths. So it doesn't matter what length your hair is, you can wear a mini twist. The next one is time saving. Once the mini twists are installed, you can save lots of time getting ready in the morning because your hair is already styled, which is why we do these longer term protective styles. They do give us back a lot of time over the long run. The next one is that it is a protective style within itself. Mini twists can be a protective style that helps to shield our hair from the environment. So it is a great natural protective style. The next one is that it reduces shrinkage. Depending on the thickness of your twist, wearing mini twists can help you to reduce the appearance of shrinkage, making your hair look longer. The next one goes along with the last. It is a low manipulation hairstyle, meaning that once you've installed these, you don't have to have your hands in your hair. And we all know that once our hand is in our hair, that we are going to be encountering breakage. The next benefit is that mini twist helps us to retain moisture within our hair. A lot of us know that, especially if we have high porosity, also low porosity hair, that the moisture is always looking for a way to escape out of our hair. Once our hair is twisted around itself, once we put water in there or any sort of moisturizer, it is trapped in between those various twists, and in that way our hair is able to hold moisture for longer. So it's great if you're trying to maintain the moisture level within your hair. I hope you enjoyed today's video talking about week 2 on the mini twist challenge, also showing you some hairstyles suggestions of how to wear a mini twist. I will take that section of the video out and I'll make another video because I am aware that I was talking over the styles so that you can have a good look at it. Also, I detailed many benefits of wearing mini twists to grow your natural hair. If you've not yet signed on, there is still time to join the challenge. We are growing our natural hair long, healthy and strong in 2023, and I'd love to have you join. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video, week 3 update. See you then. Take care. Bye bye. God bless you.